Electrification continues at BMW Group Plant Leipzig. 4 months after launching production of the combustion-engined MINI Countryman, the all-electric version is now rolling off the lines at Leipzig as well. After phasing out production of the BMW i3, the birthplace of electric mobility at the BMW Group has welcomed another fully electric car to its range. It now manufactures 4 models with 3 drive types by 2 brands, all on a single production line: the BMW 1 Series, the BMW 2 Series Active Tourer, including the plug-in hybrid version, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, and the MINI Countryman in both its fully electric and combustion-powered versions. The MINI Countryman Electric represents a major step in the MINI brand's transition to full electrification by 2030 and combines an electrified go-kart feel with zero local emissions mobility. It comes in 2 fully electric variants, the Countryman E and the more powerful all-wheel Countryman SE ALL4, to enable production of up to 350,000 units a year, 100,000 more than previously. Has been continuously upgraded since 2018, with extensive additions and upgrades to the body shop, paint shop, assembly, and logistics. In recent years, the BMW Group has invested around 1.6 billion euros in the Leipzig site to produce additional vehicles and electric components, and now we're increasing vehicle volumes too, which is great news for our plant, said Petra Peter Hansel, plant director. The main driver behind the volume increase is the MINI Countryman. During the course of 2024, output will rise to almost 500 units a day, on top of the 800 or so BMW vehicles the plant is producing. What's more, thanks to its flexible production system, Plant Leipzig is in a position to respond quickly to customer demand, for example by increasing the share of fully electric vehicles. Flexible assembly structures also meant the MINI Countryman Electric could be integrated seamlessly into production. The situation is similar with the different drive units, which are all produced on one and the same line in aggregate assembly and prepared for what's known as marriage with the body. The e-drives, transmissions, and control electronics, collectively known as the highly integrated electric drive topology, or HEAT, for the 2 all-electric models are connected directly in the plant. A new production line was required only for the control electronics.